Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to get banned from the WCA. Is WCA trying to promote you to delegate? Do you not like the WCA puzzles that are not 3x3? Have you been to way too many cubing competitions and not want to go to any more? Well, all your problems can be solved just by watching this video. This next competition you go to can be your last, cause this is how to get banned from the WCA. Step 1. Compete in an event that you don't know how to solve. If you don't know how to solve a Megaminx, a Square 1, a 7x7, a clock, 5x5 blindfolded, whatever. If there's any events you don't know how to solve, sign up for them right now. Step 2. Use something that will let you see the back side of the cube. Maybe like camera facing, or you could bring like maybe your laptop, you have a camera on your laptop, or even a mirror. You could even bring a mirror. Step 3. Put the cube down and walk away in the middle of your solve. Don't stop the timer. Don't grab whatever you need to grab. Don't sign your name or anything. Just put the cube down and walk away. That's all you have to do. If you do all 3 of those things, you're probably going to get banned. But you might not. Step 4. Put an unofficial event, like a 12x12, in your cube cover. Go sign up for something random like clock, Square 1, something that has nothing to do with any of these cubic cubes, and put maybe something like a 12x12 or a 10x10, something that's an unofficial event. Put it in the cube cover. See how the delegates react? You'll be in trouble for sure, I bet. That is a good way to get banned. Step 5. When you're solving a cube, say every single move you're doing. Like if you're doing an R prime, say R prime. If you're doing a D, say D. Or that was a D prime. But if you're doing a D prime, say D prime. Step 6. After the judge lifts up the cover, don't get your cube and start solving it. Instead, get out a Pedimings or some kind of big cube like that that's scrambled, and just start solving it. Don't solve your 3x3, just solve some kind of a big cube, biggest one you have. The Pedimings is the biggest one I have. And finally, step 7, get a plus 16 at a cubing competition during an official solve. If you don't know how to get a plus 16, click this video right up here to find out. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.